Are you tired? I'm very sure. This is my routine of skincare. Before we go with that, let's know what's our skin type. I am a multitasker, friends. I know ladies like me, women like me are multitasking. Without that, it is not possible. So, today, when we are multitasking, this routine will be very easy. Simple Living the Shashettis welcome you to know which type of your skin is, and then in the next video, we will do the facial. Hi, how are you all? Happy Wednesday. So I'm meeting you on Wednesday. So last week I met you on Monday. So today is Wednesday. So why you will be thinking what has happened? Why she is jumping around? Why is she rolling around? Yes. So when we are happy, we have that freedom that we can do whatever we want. But same thing, our internal organs, our external organs, they also will be happy, but they cannot do all those things, correct? So when we are happy, we can do that. When they are happy, they can't do anything, but we have the opportunity that we can make them happy so that we look beautiful, correct? So today I'm going to do a skincare routine. So Wednesday I have dedicated for a skincare routine. So today I'm going to talk about the facial. So there are different types of facial and different types of facials, many varieties of facials. We can have natural facial, we can go for the chemical facial. So many varieties of facial. Before we go ahead with that, we need to have some basic informations. So that's what. So gradually in the next of my episodes, you will be able to find some of the facial tricks and all. So facial also can be done in the different methods. So before we enter into the facial, today we have to first know about our skin type. It's very important. When you go to the parlor, of course they do that work, but right now it is our duty also to know what type of our skin is. So that's why today I'm going to introduce you to our own skin. So the external organ, that is our own skin. So there are 4 types of skins. So one is natural skin, and that is sensitive skin, or we can tell ache-proof skin. Okay, the other one is dry skin, and we have oily skin, and we have the mixed skin. So I will show you in slides the different types of skin. How can you identify different types of skin? And then in the next video I will show you the first step of the facial. This is the normal skin. It's tricky to define normal skin. I don't really think there is anything such as normal skin. So basically normal skin is like nothing but the skin which releases sebum to hydrate the skin. So in reality, normal skin is oily skin with just enough sebum production to keep the skin healthy, while normal skin varies from person to person. This is nothing but the dry skin. So dry skin always looks dull because it's often covered in the layer of dead skin cells. Light reflects off these rough skin cells in the different direction, where if the skin is hydrated, it will become much smoother. So what we have to do is just to hydrate your skin. So this is nothing but combination skin. This combination skin means you are dry in winter, oily in summer. Some people incorrectly use it as oily in T-zone, but it is classified as oily skin type. I think you would have come to know about the skin type. I'm very sure. See, basically we have 4 skin types, and I think I have given you the enough informations. So this is nothing regarding the textbook knowledge or what is in our biology. This is a common knowledge which every individual needs to have, because for any simple matter or for any matters, we cannot visit dermatologist. You will go and buy any of a beauty product, whether it suits on you or not. This is the basic key thing in that. So you will come to know. You cannot visit your dermatologist just for knowing which kind of makeup suits you. Maybe when you are having some problem, you can visit. But this is very simple general knowledge. I hope this video would have helped you to know what type of your skin is. And now in the video next, please do watch my forthcoming video. Why? Because this information is basically necessary for us to know when we go for the facial, when we do it ourselves or when we go for the parlor to get it done. This is the basic information which we need to know. So facial has many steps. The first important step, that is cleansing. I'll be showing you in my video. Please do watch and please subscribe. Thank you very much. Love you all.